If you're an impatient trader, perhaps you like the idea of scalping the market, but you're looking for a setting on our adaptive grid placer that might be a good match for your spirit and your trader profile, there's also something for you. Typically what you want to do is you want to reduce the grid sizes, and you want to work with more trades, more frequent trades, and it's basically a setup for those who have access to a computer, who will be checking in quite frequently during the trading day. So this is not a set and forget recommendation, but for those who'd like action when they trade. Typically, especially if you're working on a smaller account, you would want to decrease the volume size to its smallest unit. Work within a volume exponent of somewhere between 1.2 and 2, but probably closer to 2, generally speaking. We both buy and sell the market. What we do is that when we want to do something fast-paced, we reduce the pip range look back to somewhere around 1, 2, or 3. We multiply very little, and we set a very small grid. So here actually the grid sizes are generated somewhere between 8 and 25 at any given time. If we operate very small grid sizes, the recommendation is generally to enable the moving average. So here we're actually using 900 periods of 5 minutes. So we're kind of trading where price is as compared to the weekly, more or less. In this example, we will not be using the trend follow. So this is not set and forget, this is action. Let's have a look at how it trades. So let's have a look at using the adaptive grid placer in a sort of a faster pace than some of the previous examples. So just to summarize, if you're tuning into the video here, we're watching a grid system. However, it's a grid system that follows trend, and we reduce the grid sizes. So we're looking for a relatively quick price resolve with profit. In this case, we're not using trend follow, so we don't suspend the grid. With trend follow, we would not be opening any sell trades here, but we do it here. So this setup is ideal for people who have access to a computer during the day. I would say this is very much not a set and forget configuration. It's for people who'd like to actively participate in how their grid system is trading. One advantage of this setting is that prices tend to resolve fairly fast, and for extended periods of time you will actually find yourself on the right side of a trend, as is the case here. And that gives us a peace of mind, which is what we're always looking for when we trade any financial instrument. So for those who are looking for a bit more action and would like to participate in their trading using the grid system, this is a great starting point to play around with. Reduce the grid sizes, make it responsive but not too much.